Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Guys, I am getting ready to up-pot my popcorn. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to start my starters, the popcorn that I used, and I'm going to up-pot them because it's not quite warm enough outside for the night temperatures for me to take them outside. That's going to be a couple of weeks, but they are growing fast and I want to keep them growing. So we're going to up pot them. But before we get started, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell. I really would appreciate it. Okay, guys. Okay guys, so these are my popcorn plants that I am getting ready to up pot. As you can see, they're leaning on. They need a little bit more support. They have formed, they are forming, I should say, good root systems on there. Look at that, guys. Good root systems are forming on there. So that is awesome and amazing. They are doing fantabulous. You can see all those good roots in there. So I'm going to go ahead and up pot them because it's not quite time for me to take them outside. Now, guys, for me to start those, the only thing I did was take 2 regular popcorn kernels. And I simply put them down in the dirt. That's it. I used a good popcorn, which was Trader Joe's organic popcorn. So these will be organic, guys. My soil is organic. The popcorn is organic. So I'm just going to put some soil in the bottom of this pot. I've got a little bit down here already. And I'm going to separate those, but they're all going to go in the same pot. And I know you're saying, well, that's 6 in the pot. But then the next step is going to take them outside. So when I take them outside, I'll make sure they're good and wet so that I can separate them, the roots, which is what I'm getting ready to do now. And then I will be able to just put them in the container. So we're going to start with this. They are already wet and damp. And let me scoop this over a little bit. I want to make sure our roots are just, well, look at that, guys. Look at those beautiful roots. Isn't that amazing? Oh, don't want to drop it. Get all this dirt. I'm going to separate them the best I can. When they're good and wet like this, it's easy to kind of separate them because that soil just kind of falls off of them. Just kind of falls off, guys. Be very gentle, though. Look at that. You can see, oh, I need to bring you all in closer to look at this. I don't want to waste any soil, though, because I am indoors, as you can see. Look at that. Can you see that? You can see the actual popcorn kernel that I started with. You see that real good? It's on both of them. So that's the actual popcorn kernel that I started with. And the roots are growing from there. And I don't need to separate them much because, believe it or not, guys, popcorn needs to be grown in bunches. They need each other in order to pollinate properly. So I don't need to separate them completely. So that's why I'm putting them together like this. Oh my goodness, this one was really ready. Look at that. Look at those roots, guys. This one was really, really ready. Oh my goodness. And I probably should get another pot and just put 2 of these in here. 4 of them in here, rather. I think I will. I don't want to overcrowd them too much. So I'm going to go and get another pot right quick. I'm going to fill this one up some. I have another pot that's a little bit smaller than this, and I'll put those in it. And I have some more over there that I'm starting. And when I do take these outside, I do plan to direct sow a few more seeds because, guys, I love popcorn. This is my favorite snack, and I want to ensure I get some. I should have probably been outside doing this. It is warm enough for me to do this outside, but they needed to be inside, and I've got air going on them, and I've been taking them opening my window where they are right by it so they can feel that breeze, and they've been blowing in the wind and everything. So, all right, a little bit more over here. To add some dirt to support these stalks. Okay, guys, if you've made it this far in the video, guys, let me know in the comments, is popcorn one of your favorite snacks? And did you ever think about growing it? Let me know. Let me know if you like to munch on popcorn. I really want to know that, guys. I am all done now. And as you can see, I've potted them up. I used 2 different plants. These are the other ones that I have started. There should be another one coming up in this one. But this is how they start off. And they germinate in about 4 or 5 days, guys. If your kernels are good, they will germinate in about 4 or 5 days. They are actually sitting in the sun right now. I have my windows open, and it's actually a breeze in here, so that's good for them for transplanting outside. I thank you all for coming and hanging out with me while I up-pot these popcorn plants. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I will see you on the trail.